Nicole, and welcome. Nicole, to you first. Across the tech, telco, and media companies, where are we at with Gen AI?
Well, GenAI was the big buzzword last year. We didn't hear anything about GenAI at the show here last year, but then, it really took off. So I think everybody immersed itself in the topic, creating huge list of use cases. I think I met somebody this morning who told me they have 287 use cases in marketing alone. I mean, that's huge. However, I think where we haven't seen much happening is in really bringing these use cases to life and creating new ways to think, creating new ways to work around topics. And these topics could be in customer care, these topics can be in operations, and certainly in marketing.
And what's your perspective at Liberty Global?
I mean, I couldn't possibly agree more. It is the number one topic for us. We talk about it at every single one of our exec discussions. And I think I think you're absolutely right about the number of use cases. One of our objectives is to take it from use case to proof of concepts and then to scale. Because ultimately, the real value is when you can actually integrate it into the business and the operations. And I also think one of the challenges is to make sure you don't stifle all of that creativity and excitement that people have to go and test and trial. So it's a pretty hard balance, actually.
Nicole, where do you see Gen AI having the biggest impact this year?
Well, I wouldn't say there's particularly the number one topic, but where we will see things come to life is just how Anne said, in new ways to think end-to-end, new way of customer experiences, new products even. And that means really stepping back from whatever is being done today to how, if we were to be fresh at the start, rethink how it can be done. And there we will see big changes, I believe, or I hope we will.
No, agree. Definitely.
Where do you see the biggest impacts happening this year in terms of the media and tech ecosystems?
Well, I mean, I think Liberty Global being a big player in the telco industry. I mean, we fundamentally believe that Gen AI is a massive transformation opportunity across our industry. So we think it will have two impacts. Well, first of all, we think as a telco player, we're a big contributor to this, right? We provide the infrastructure, the connectivity, and a number of the infrastructure requirements that are necessary to really take AI to the next level. But equally, as a big industry where we have massive customer care operations, we have massive networks that we try to optimize and maintain, we then actually become a big player and a user of AI as well. I think the study that we just released said that, if you look across all of the work activities that occur certainly in the telco industry, more than 50% of those activities will be impacted by Gen AI. And that's just today. I suspect in the long run, that number will get even higher. So it will be a massive thing in our industry.
And Nicole, thank you so much.